Today I am reviewing the Ninja NC301 CREAMi ice cream maker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a fan of homemade frozen treats or just love the idea of customizing your ice cream, sorbet, or gelato, the Ninja NC301 CREAMi ice cream maker is a game-changer in the kitchen. This compact yet powerful machine opens the door to endless creativity, allowing you to craft everything from creamy gelato and dairy-free ice cream to decadent milkshakes, sorbet, smoothie bowls, and even light or low-sugar treats. Starting with power and performance, the Ninja CREAMi operates at 800 watts with a 120-volt setup, making it strong enough to transform frozen blocks into smooth, velvety textures in minutes. Thanks to its innovative Creamify technology, it shaves through your frozen pint evenly, giving you a consistent, creamy result every time. And if you prefer an even softer texture, the respin function lets you fine-tune your treat to the perfect creaminess. One of the standout features of the Ninja CREAMi is its customization options. You have total control over the ingredients, which is ideal for people with dietary preferences like keto, dairy-free, or vegan. You can mix in anything you like: chocolate chips, nuts, candies, fresh fruit, or even cookie crumbs to create your very own signature flavors. And with the 7 one-touch programs, including ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix in, the process is effortless. Each program adjusts the speed, pressure, and processing time automatically to deliver the perfect texture. The process itself is extremely simple and beginner-friendly. All you need to do is prep your base, freeze it overnight, pop it into the machine, and select your desired program. In just a few minutes, you'll have a creamy, smooth frozen treat ready to enjoy. For families, this is especially convenient, as the unit comes with two 16-ounce pint containers with lids, so each person can have their own personalized creation. Cleanup is also stress-free, since the containers, lids, and paddle are top-rack dishwasher safe, making this machine ideal for daily use or for parties. In addition to its performance, the design and size of the Ninja CREAMi make it perfect for any kitchen. Its compact footprint ensures it won't dominate your countertop, yet it's powerful enough to satisfy serious dessert lovers. The sleek silver finish gives it a modern look, and the included accessories, the motor base, creamizer paddle, and outer bowl, cover everything you need to get started immediately. While it's compatible only with Ninja CREAMi NC299 and NC300 pint accessories, the versatility and quality you get in return are impressive. Whether you're a parent looking to delight your kids with customized ice cream, a dessert enthusiast experimenting with flavors, or someone trying to stick to healthier frozen options, this machine delivers consistently delicious results. In short, the Ninja NC301 CREAMi ice cream maker is more than just an ice cream machine. It's a creative kitchen tool that makes frozen desserts accessible, customizable, and fun. Its combination of power, technology, and user-friendly design ensures you can enjoy homemade ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and milkshakes anytime, without the guesswork or long wait times of traditional methods. If you want restaurant-quality frozen treats at home, this Ninja CREAMi is a must-have addition to your countertop.